Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this week's vlog. So yeah, I've just gotten back from home, and as a comrade, like ukitoka home you must carry something you can eat. Like that's so obvious, guys. Yeah, so right now I'm just chilling because I have a class at 4 p.m. and it's currently 2 p.m. So I'll just chill and wait for the class. So yeah guys. Sipendi kuchukua nini. Hi guys, so I spent my afternoon I've just downloaded all the notes I need for this semester and nikaziweka kwa their folders. So yeah, as I told you guys, I have 7 units, so here are the folders na each of them iko na their own notes. Yeah, so it'll make it easier for me to study. Hey. Nenda campaigns. Inakaa poa. Hi guys, so I've just gotten back from class right now and my afternoon classes bounce, so I am free for the afternoon. And also tomorrow's classes bounce, guys, like all of them. Like, can you imagine? I just love the first weeks of the semester. They're usually just so chilled, no pressure, nothing much to do. So yeah, so tomorrow it's a free day for me, but I'll obviously have some stuff to do. Yeah, so, and by the way guys, good news, like finally we have Wi-Fi in our hostel. Although the school provides us with a telecom line loaded with bundles, and let me tell you guys, one thing yenye excite the most, the Wi-Fi router, one of it is just like right here nje ya dirisha yangu, like my Wi-Fi is full. Okay, the telecom bundles hazikuangi that much effective, especially when you're joining an online class, like inashinanga tu ikikutoa. Hadi nikiupload my YouTube videos inabidingi ninunue my ni buy data ya surf because it upload faster. I am so happy, guys. Let me show you guys the router. Like, it's just right here. Like, I think I have the strongest connection because I don't know if you can see it. Here it is, guys. Here's the router. Like, imagine just in front of my window, guys. I know niliingia, like when I came to this room, I didn't like it at first, but now I love it. Like, I just love it. I don't know. Hi guys, so I'm just chilling. I'm just from having my supper. The record. I'm just from having my supper. Nimeambiwa ya kibandaski ni supper, si dinner. That's why we are laughing. Yeah, so I slept. I did yoga and then I took a shower. Okay, a bath. And then I slept. Yeah, so I want to end this vlog here because on Sunday I want to start a new one, and tomorrow and Saturday there's somewhere I need to be for the whole day, since morning till evening. I want to be vlogging for that day, for the 2 days. Yeah, so bye guys. Remember to subscribe and like and comment and share.